Rock and roll, living dream, super excited. As a gardener, I want to say a farmer, you got to decide what's important, what's not important. It's winter time. This month I planted maybe about 900 plants, and they're coming up. And then I decide what's going to go down. I don't know whether they can plant anymore. I may check it out. I got like all these beds that are filled with green tomatoes. This is peppers. More green tomatoes. This is season's over. It's like life. When the season is over, you move on, and every moment is a blessed moment. I can't really overemphasize that. I feel very, very honored and blessed just by my presence. I'm able to talk, super miracle. I'm able to move my hands, super miracle. I'm able to look at the cabbage, super miracle. I look at all these fig trees. I got 12 fig trees I planted in my backyard. They're growing. Unbelievable. 2 pear trees. They're growing. This is out of my compost. Tomatoes. They're growing. They want to live. Our bodies want to live vibrantly. Our bodies want to live vibrantly and I don't want to say aggressively, but they just want to suck in life. That's the main purpose of life. To be born, to live, and then to die. With every moment a blessed moment, every moment as a gift. I can't overemphasize that. 75 years old, I'm still going strong. And I don't think. I can't think. I have to go to work, I have to go shopping. I work every day 10 hours. Pretty much every single day. Then I'm not shopping. I'm doing look at this. All these peppers are coming up. Unbelievable. And there's kale over there. That's coming up. Whoa! I got more kale over there. Boom! I got more kale over there. These are fig trees. 1, 2, 3. I think I planted 12. I got 4 more going. Everyone wants to live and rock. They need the proper nutrients. Every bed gets banana peels. That's a given. Then what I do is the weeds are coming up. I put paper there and stop the weeds, and I put mulch around. But it's a lot of work. It's a tremendous amount of work. And when you have maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours to do it, you kind of pick and choose. Right now I gotta pick. It's super exciting. At least 100 times a day I say rock and roll, living dream, super excited. Now that makes my body feel rock and roll, living dream, super excited, feeling blessed every single moment, no matter what's going on. I'm like the tomatoes. They want to rock. They want to live. They're ready to blossom. Just like the kale. They're ready to rock. Boom, boom, boom. Swiss chard. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. 8 more eggplants. I got like 10 out of this plant. This is maybe about 3 weeks ago, max. Okay, live. I gotta go back to work to do something. Bye.